This week's client is near and dear to my heart because she is overworked and underpaid. Hi, my name is Sasha. I am an expert at walking backwards while holding tons of copies. I also am an expert at holding my bladder for long periods of time.
What does that mean?
I'm an elementary teacher. Sasha has gone through a rough year. She wants to turn her house into a beautiful and cozy place. You're in desperate need of a coffee table. My budget. Give me 1 second, please. After knowing what budget I'm working with, I sat down to make a design and determine the measurements so I could share with the carpenter. Okay, this is my idea. What do you think? Sí, muy bueno. Perfect. Let's get started. I picked 3 boards of 2 by 10 by 8 and I took them to the cutting section and asked them to cut 3 pieces of 39 inches for the top and 8 pieces of 16 inches for the legs. I also needed wood stain, wood glue, wood filler, sanding sponge, and everything was under $100. To build the legs, she glued 2 of the 16-inch boards. She made sure no glue was dripping and she let it dry overnight.
Sí, muy bueno.
Then she used the 3 39-inch panels to make the top.
Sí, bueno.
Next day, she glued 2 of the leg panels or leg pieces. She placed dumbbells on top and let it dry for a few hours. When the legs were ready to be glued to the top, she made sure that both legs were glued parallel. She used wood filler to fill a gap between the tabletop and one of the legs. But then she noticed the leg was wobbly, which meant the leg would never glue. That's why she got the saw to even out the leg and let it dry overnight. Now we're bringing in Sasha so she can see her new living room. I'm so excited for her. One, two, three. Open your eyes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.